welcome to my video. Today my main content is to introduce how to check our machine before start it. Okay, the first is to check the engine oil. The engine oil is inside. We need to check it out. This one is the engine oil marker. If we can see the oil in the middle of these two nodes, it means the oil is enough. If we can't see the engine oil on this marker, it means that the engine oil is not enough. We must refill it. Okay. The second is to check the anti-freeze fluid for the radiator. The fluid level must reach here. It means it's enough. If not enough anti-freeze fluid, we must refill from this opening here. This opening. Okay. The third is to check the switch. Sorry, here. The third is to check the switch. The third is to check if the battery is switched on. The battery switch is inside. Yes, you can see it here. And this status means it's already switched on, and this status means it's closed for the battery. Okay. And for the fourth, check all the screws of this machine. If any loose, we must tighten it. All the screws of the machine. Okay, for the fix, we must check if there is any leakage of this oil pipe. It's here. If any leakage, we must tighten the screws first. After tightening the screws, if it's still leakage, we must replace the oil seal. We must check the cylinder joints for the machine. We must apply grease to all the cylinder joints to make sure the guide rail can move smoothly. All these cylinder joints must be applied with grease. Also, we must apply the grease to this master chain to make sure that these tools can move smoothly. Before starting the machine, we must check the fuel level. The fuel level can be seen from here. It's the softer pipe. We can see the fuel level from here. Yes. And lastly, we must install the working tools of the machine. And this is all the procedures before starting the machine.